Item 11, is there a motion?
Move to tag, please.
Item 11 has been tabled by Councilmember Green.
Item 13 is an ordinance.
Discussion. Councilmember Christie.
Just want to make a positive notation on this, that we're going with a CNG vehicle and a hybrid. Not only is it going green, but we're investing in the future on cleaner burning and less expensive energy use in our major trucks. And the infrastructure for CNG will come along, so I hope we continue to order trucks like this, even if it's a public-private partnership with the infrastructure, so city will be better long-term in the future.
Councilmember, any further comments? Moving to a vote on item 13, favoring, opposed, item carries.
Okay, item 13A, is there a motion?
Move. Second.
Discussion. Favoring, opposed, item carries.
Item 19 is an ordinance.
Discussion. Favoring, opposed, item carries.
Okay, that completes